Welcome to the first ever Kahamugaway Festival, and live po tayo dito sa Cauayan, Masbate to cover this first ever Kahamugaway Open Invitational Basketball Tournament. Nino Abanid alongside Coach Kim Reyes to cover this first game. Coach Kim, it's Taburan 360 against the debuting Asenso pa Aroroy.
Oh, actually, well, first of all, good afternoon sa lahat ng viewers natin dyan. And as what you mentioned, debuting Aroroy kasi hindi natin nakita tong team na to yesterday. So they were still a mystery until now na nakita natin sila.
So it's gonna be an exciting first game for all our taga-Cauayan, Masbate, no? Sa ating mga fans na nanonood sa atin via live stream sa Facebook. So ito na, we are all set to introduce the starting five. It was just a quick on-cam, and let's turn you over to introduce the five.
Nice one, Doy.
Tagal lang mga 5 seconds. Matagal na sa switch eh.
Sabi niya okay na eh.
Nakikita tayo.
Nag-walk out.
Yung kay Paul, di ba?
Yung kay Paul kahapon. Yung walk out. Okay na?
Tapal na po.
Ha? Ano daw? Sino walang jersey, boss? Ano daw? Ah,
Nay, wala jersey doon.
pareho daw ay. Eh, ano lang to?
Adjust na. Ay. So magkuha ba sila jersey?
Sino ba dapat, Lord? Baka maririnig na naman. Sila ay magilis dapat.
Di mo sugot ang pasadol. Di mo sugot sila pareha ang jersey.
Kining ba? Ani?
Di sila mo sugot.
Okay, mas matawad.
Oo, sila yung light. They dapat dahil. Dark, direct.
Pagkatapos makita sa mundo, pusong nagbabaga upang lahat ay magmulat. Sa aking susulat, para sa lahat
Okay? Kaya na. Bilisan nila. Coach, yan.
Hindi susuko, laban kung laban, sama-sama hanggang katapusan. Umaga pa, agad babangon, taas noo, muli lang susulong, isisigaw hanggang wakas. Alab Pilipinas, hindi susuko.
Okay, let's acknowledge the presence of the municipal mayors of Municipality of Aroroy and Municipality of Cavayan. Honorable Mayor Arvin Bertuccio and Honorable Mayor Edgar Condor. Thank you so much for attending this game and have fun. Now let's begin our first game between the team Municipality of Aroroy against the home team, Team Tumuran 360. First 5 more teams, please present to the center line for our official jump ball.
Jumper between the Seaside and jersey number 21, Ike.
Welcome to our first game for this afternoon. Tuburan 360 against Ascenso Pa Aroroy. Tuburan with their first win last night or last day against the team of Shontel. And now Eman Calo to start the offense for Tuburan 360. This is Gosum now with CJ Delfino and Ike as their import. As CJ Delfino escapes with a two-pointer. It's 3-2. June Manso to Eman Calo. 8 seconds to shoot. Cabajo, Calo open. Calo again, can't get the back-to-back. Sisay goes to Eman Calo. Ooh, nice feed. As EJ Agbong misses that drive. Delfino with a feed. Gosum underneath.
Jersey number 15.
Ganda ng start na ginagawa na itong Ascenso Pa Aroroy on both sides of the court.
Cross-court pass by Manso. Agbong. Cabahog fires for 3. 6-4. Gozum. Topped by EJ Agbong. Here comes June Manso. June fires for 3. Ike with the big rebound. Tolentino with 18 seconds to shoot. The feed inside. Out of bounds for Tuburan 360. Six to 4. Baseline inbound for Aroroy. Floater for Tolentino. That's a foul against John Court Cabahog. Two shots now for Ascenso Paroroy. Sesay denied by Ike. Another one. Sesay denied by Gozum. Kick out. Calo fires. Misses. EJ Agbong. That's the 2-pointer.
Ganda na sana nung tatlong block na nakuha doon. Itong Ascenso Paroroy, no? Hindi lang nila nakuha yung bola.
8 to 5. 3-point lead. Tuburan up here. And 7 minutes left for the opening quarter. Sesay. One-on-one again. Stolen away by Tolentino. They don't have the numbers. Pull up. Miss shot. Rebound by Calo. Here comes the white shirts to the push. Cabahog floater. Miss. Agbong goes inside for 2. That is another foul.
This is second foul na. Second foul na yan ni John Cor Cabahog, no? And wala pang kalahati ng first quarter.
Oo. Napaka-early nun
Oo.
for John Court Cabahog. And we know, yung nabibigay ng service itong isang John Court Cabahog.
Kasi ngayon, he's playing as a 3 guard, di ba? Usually, nasa ilalim yan. Eh, dahil nga sa size nila ngayon sa Tuburan 360, he has that luxury to play outside.
That was a missed shot for Ascenso Paroroy. Ten to 5. 5-point lead. Manso Tocalo. Atake. Drops it. Sesay. Apples out again. Good tap by King Destacamento. 10 to 5. Delfino. Lays it inside for 2. That is CJ Delfino, the Tasmanian Devil of Lubao, Pampanga. Almost a steal. Recovered by Saga. June Manso, atake. Agbong, Calo, feed to Sesay. That is a traveling violation. Five minutes and 45 time remaining. It's Delfino. Destacamento to the other side. Gozo fires. That's good for Gozo. 5 and 25. And all na, Coach Kim.
Oo nga ang nangyayari yun sa defense itong Ascenso Paroroy is they're protecting the outside shots. Ang paso naman, pumapasok din talaga yung mga tira na itong Tuburan 360, no? They're protecting the outside shots, kaya hindi nila nakukuha yung mga rebounds, which is nakaka-convert si Tuburan sa second chance points.
The feed to Destacamento. Extra kick out. Out of bounds. 13 to 10. On the clock. Eman Calo, corner. Miss shot. Delfino with a save.
Ayun lang.
Agbong.
Diba? Nakakuha sila ng stumps, pero yung second chance points, doon nakakabawi itong Tuburan 360.
The lead is back to 5 for Tuburan. Delfino. Hindi makalapit. Itong si Delfino.
Oo, nag-change ngayon ng defense yung Tuburan 360. They're now playing man-to-man.
Saka 2 seconds. Si Boy Pastoran. And itong si number 8. Concepcion. Naman lapas. Three seconds. Oh! A big shot. Beat the buzzer.
And then, tingnan natin na naman yung defense ng Aroroy, no? Na they're playing again. As what I mentioned, 1-2-2.
That's an offensive foul.
Oo.
On Ted Saga.
Yeah, so there's a change sa defensive structure na itong Tuburan 360 as they're gonna be playing straight up man-to-man ngayon.
Oh, pick and roll. Destacamento, denied. But the recovery by Ike.
Great ball movement there, no? Galing dito sa Ascenso Paro, Roy.
15 to 14. Manso to the corner, wide open. Manggubat, big shot.
I-mention nga natin, kahapon pa yan. Froilan Magtuban has that green signal to shoot all those open shots from beyond the arc.
3 minutes and 5. That is Ike again inside. Two minutes and 50.
Ito na naman, Ascenso pa Aroroy is yan, nag-change na nga rin sila ng defense nila into 2-3 zone.
Ano? June Manso right there. Denied by King Destacamento.
Balasa ngayon.
Underestimate niya yung wingspan
Oo, yung
nitong si
reach, no?
Destacamento.
Pero I mean, that was an open look na sana, di ba? Again, yung reach nga,
May extender eh.
parang hindi niya na ano. Ay, hindi natin napansin. Balik pala sa game agad si Delfino.
Tsaka
1
si
minute.
combo
Ish
nila
rest
ni
lang,
Pastoran at Delfino. 3 guards by the way for Aroroy Pastoran, Jimboy. Jumper miss for the former College of St. Benilde Blazers. Isa to sa mga tinamaan ni yung suntok no? Ni Amores.
Nadali din ba siya?
Oo.
Nadahanan ba siya nun?
Schuster Olago, kakabalik din. Just Jeco Bangkale misses that jumper. Takbo si na Concepcion. Down by 2. Wide open for 3. Miss shot. Rebound, Destacamento again. Well, that is his game no? Yung mga offensive rebound for King Destacamento.
Pero rin kasi, naging possible din yun because eto si Ike was just trying to get for the offensive rebound. Na-box out siya doon ni Schuster and wala namang second jumper para dito sa Tuburan 360. Na-late ng pasok yung Steven Ursal. Pero yun ang masakit, no? Nag-miss siya, 2. Ooh.
That's another foul.
we've been seeing a lot of those actions, no, para dito sa offense netong Tuburan 360 para sa zone defense. Yung isang big man, sinisil lang niya yung middle defender, while the one in the middle will just cut. And ang galing naman din ng mga bigs netong Tuburan 60 as passing the ball dun sa mga cutters nila eh. Yun talaga yung mga important dyan sa big men.
Pastoran. 130. Jimboy. One-hander. Miss shot for Pastoran. Here's Jeco Bancale, another miss shot. And good tap by Ted Saga.
Wow! Winanhand lang yung putback na yun. Ito ni Ted Saga, no?
20-16. Saga, pull up, rattles out. Ike with the big rebound. 20-16. 45 seconds. Delfino. One-on-one. Delfino fires. Scores for 3.
Delfino parang meron siyang 9 points just in this quarter pa lang, ha?
20-19. Shot clock at 18. Saga. That is a foul against Ike. Aguara naman papasok for Ike. Inbound to, ha?
Grabe yung ano yun, bakbakan ng mga big man sa ilalim. Wala talagang nagbibigay ng easy
No.
na angle sa basket.
Manggubat fires. That's good. Boylan Manggubat. Pastoran fires to beat the buzzer. That was a miss shot by a 4-point lead by Tuburan 360. It is 23-19. Tuburan 360 against Ascenso Pa Aroroy. Tuburan with their first win last night or last day. This is Gosum now with CJ Delfino and Ike as their import. As CJ Delfino speed as EJ Agong misses that drive. Delfino with a feed. Gosum underneath. Cross-court pass by Manso. Agbong. Kabahog fires for 3. Another one. Sesay denied by Gosum. Kick out. Calo fires. Misses. EJ Agbong. That's the deep one. So here comes the white shirts to the push. Kabahog floater. Miss. Agbong goes inside.
Alright, so back to our ball game. Second quarter na tayo ngayon and score natin 19-23. Lamang ang Tuburan 360. Ang question ko dito ngayon, Nino, no, is aware ba yung coaching staff netong Ascenso Pa Aroroy na pwede nilang isabay yung imports nila, 'di ba? Kasi they were not here last night eh. 'Di ba? Nakita natin, we even saw tatlong imports sabay-sabay papasok, no? Ilipat pa. Ikinaliwa.
CJ Delfino yan eh, no?
Oo.
Alam natin, yan yung mga laman ng highlights sa Kabalin Basketball.
Yes. He's the real deal pala, no?
Real evil.
Real evil.
Oo, kaya Tasmanian
Tasmanian
Devil eh, no? balikan natin yung question mo, Coach Kim, no? Kung alam ba ng coaching staff ng Asenso Paroro yung pwedeng pagsabay yung foreign player mo. Parang sinasabayan lang din nila, minamatchup lang din nila yung Tuburan 360. Oo. Pero to, shooter na sa free throw line natin, si Froilan Manggubat. Yung kapatid nito, kaka-MVP lang sa Junior MPBL, si Sam Manggubat. Sam Lawrence. Oo, Sam Lawrence Manggubat.
Grabe din yung batang yan, no?
9:33 kakaumpisa pa lang, coach, no? Pero yung bakbakan, inumpisahan itong si CJ Delfino sa kanyang highlight na yun. Paldo na naman.
Mga content creators.
Fake by Aguara. Shot clock at 5. Aguara needs to fire. Fade away hard shot. Tumama lang sa rim.
Paubos na yung shot clock dun no? Medyo napalayo yung pasa ni Jimboy Pasturan.
Ted Saga. Babalik ba sa labas? Hinahanap itong kan. Stolen away by Destacamento. Delfino. Hihinto. No look pass. Peke and a foul. That's on Aguara.
Medyo masama yung tama dun. So the officials are gonna be asking for a review, no?
Look pass. Peke and a foul.
Titignan natin kung ano nga ba
That's
yung
on
nangyari
Aguara.
doon.
Manggubat.
Pero as from medyo
Nice.
masama yung
That's good.
tama. Pero tignan
Look
natin.
pass. Peke and a foul. That's on Aguara.
Steven Orsal. Medyo masama yung tama doon.
Look pass. Peke and a foul. That's on Aguara.
Medyo masama yung tama doon.
Look pass. Peke and a foul. That's on Aguara.
Medyo masama yung tama doon.
Look pass. Peke and a foul. That's on Aguara.
So our officials are reviewing this medyo masama para
yung
sigurado natin kung anong
Look
tama
pass.
na maitama.
Peke and a foul. That's on Aguara.
Medyo masama yung tama doon.
Sa pagbaba ni Steven Orsal.
So, Siko daw yung inunang tumama no, sa mukha.
Tsaka yung point ng Siko no?
Sa
mukha. Possession for Asenso Paroro.
Baka maguluhan yung mga viewers natin dyan ha. This is still the same team ng first quarter. Nagpalit lang ng jersey, yung Tuburan 360. Kasi, yung kanina start nila, they were all white di ba?
All light din.
All light nagkakaguluhan. So, they decided na mag-dark na lang sila.
Late dumating ang upper jersey.
Oo.
Delfino again, short for CJ. 25 to 22. Shane Medina gets it now for Tuburan. CJ out of ball with a floater. That's a good shot. Forward pass, Destacamento. Baliktad yung Pectus doon.
Oo. Hindi niya nagamit yung offhand niya doon for the layup, no?
Veteran Shane Medina
Ano yun?
is adjusting his floater doon.
Oo, bitugpo-tugpo lang, no? Bitugpo-tugpo.
And now we have a timeout to Aurora in the right back. Pasuran! Ito parang dito ang buwaka eh.
here last night eh. Diba, nakita natin, we even saw tatlong import sabay-sabay papasok, no?
Boy! UB High School, Binil College.
Iba pa yung isa pang pastoral pala.
Video 9, 3-point play completed by Mr. Menina.
No problem there, eh, no? Para sa 3-point play.
Possession.
Parang sinasabi ni Schuster Olago, no, na huwag ka na mag-help, kaya ko naman to one-on-one sa post. Schuster out. Agbong,
Dumidiskarte muna si Iki. Naka-catch, stolen away by the Tuburan 360. Keshay, Menina.
Euro. Diretso na. Gagawin pa natin na nakikita yung moves niya na yun, eh, no?
7:45. 30-22, pagparo naman. Pasukan. 30-24. Talo. Manggubat, 5. Split shot. For Froilan Manggubat. 30-24. Pastoran, escape!
Yun yung kailangan na itong Asenso para Roy, eh, to be able to stay in the game. Yan, no, yung mga defensive stops nila na ganun. Tapos, at the same time, they need to convert. That's parang ganun, di ba? Isang easy drive for Froilan Manggubat. Hindi pwede yun na it keeps happening, eh. Di ba?
Tsaka naging threat na si Sam or si Troy sa labas eh, no?
Oo.
Big shot for Pastoran. Tapos si Yaman Talo. 1-on-1, Talo. Let's go, 34-26. Shot lang at 15. Destacamento, that is his not shot. Talo. Talo, Pinoy step. And reverse is good.
Diba? As what I mentioned, diba? Hindi sila pwede na gano'n nakikipagpalitan ng baskets without getting stops. At the same time, itong Aroroy, hindi rin makashoot naman. Diba?
Ang lugi dito, Tamarangay. That is why the timer 10 complete. So, Tamarang 360.
Here last night, eh. Diba? Nakita natin, we even saw tatlong import sabay-sabay papasok, no? Hindi niya nagamit yung offhand niya doon for the layup, eh, no?
Everyday ko maririnig yun. Back to our ball game. Shout out ko lang sa pinakamagaling na player, volleyball player sa Marili. Walang iba, si Ate Vanessa Ways. My classmate siya. Nag-a-absent din palagi. CJ Delpino, kick out. 9 seconds to shoot. Dali sa foul ni Eman Calo.
Jersey number 19, Talo. Two shots. Jersey number 47, Alvin.
Up, it's one for Ivy.
yung Almini na yung nakita natin.
Ako rin, oo.
Kahapon yung isa yun.
Yung ano, yung grabe yung jump shot, no?
Oo. Parang kuitis eh, no? Kumukuha ng bitaw sa...
Sa taas. Uy, sinipa.
Pwede.
Jersey number 21,
Isa din yan sa nakakasakit dito sa Aroroy eh. Yung mga free throws nila, hindi nila nako-convert.
Pangalawang ano na yun, ha?
Na dalawang miss yun ah.
Filipino. Tumig agad sa harap. Nabigay ng basket. Walang may hanap. 15 seconds to shoot. Armenia. Against Manso. Tumuli ito si Manso. Ayun ang Lalo. Ayun ang position. Lalo.
No. Off-foot layup, kumbaga, di ba?
That is a foul. Josh again. Cesar.
Jersey
Sound, check, 1, 2. Hey. Sound check, 1, 2. Check.
Another stop there para dito sa Tuburan 360.
One-hander.
Tapos at the same time, sila pa yung nakaka-convert on those runs.
40-26. Ito nga, yung Tuburan 360, no? Hindi nila minamadali yung bawat game nila. Sa umpisa, nakikipagsabayan lang. And then, no? Sinusukat lang yung stamina ng kanilang mga kalaban. Ngayon, tignan mo, coach, 40-26 na yung
Oo.
kalamangan.
Lumalaki-laki na yung lamang na yan, ha?
Seman Calo, double team. That is a foul. Number 28. Ginugulangan talaga ni Eman Calo, no? Pero, alam natin, veterano itong si Eman Calo. Hindi lang halata sa mukha.
Tama, veterano talaga yung laro. And you can see na yung laro ni Calo dito ngayon is parang mas pukpok siya, mas porsigido siya, di ba? Yung mga runs niya, all shots.
So, we have a timeout here. 40 sa 26 lamang po ang Tuburan 360.
Euro. Euro.
May problema.
Warning.
Boss, warning ba yun, boss?
Lau. Wala yan, ha?
Warning.
So back to our ball game, may problem lang, no? Double 28 inside the floor for the team Ascenso Paroroy.
Parang pwede naman, pero hindi lang daw sabay.
Oo.
Diba?
Pwede magkabilang team.
Pwede lang, oo. Kaso nagkasabay sila. Maguguluhan tayo doon.
15 seconds to shoot. Ooh. As Ike is foul there.
Mas maganda na yung tinatakbo ngayon ng offense na itong Aroroy, di ba? Ang problema na lang is yung mga stops na kailangan nilang makuha eh. Tsaka yung convert of the turnovers. Second shot ngayon ni Ike. Another split free throws na naman para dito sa Aroroy.
40-27. Calo. Goes inside. Deflected. Stolen away. Woo! Yun lang, nadulas sa pawis doon.
Oo, pero yun, di ba? Kakasabi ko lang nga, they're getting those stops. Kailangan lang nila, ma-maximize nila yung mga yun and make points of those turnovers.
Lalo na sa ganitong moment no, na hindi sa kanila pumapalig yung bola.
Oo.
Kailangan na ng conversion.
Kailangan talaga nilang trabahuhin yung mga ganun eh. Just like the earlier attack, parang meron na silang advantage sana sa numbers. Kaso, nadulas pa nga itong player nila.
40-27. Pastoran. That was an air ball. June Manso. Lets it fly. Agbong Manso. The CM Farm Boys connection.
Gandang connection eh, no?
Too strong again. Oh, rebound picked up by Aroroy. The layup
Wala pa rin.
comes out. Ike with a putback.
Siguro, Aurora is still trying to get their rhythm going, di ba? Kasi nga, parang ngayon pa lang sila dumating dito, di ba?
Agbong. The pass out of bounds.
Sub.
Manggubat for Menina. And Saga also for EJ Agbong. ...14 seconds sa shot clock natin dito, no? Sabi ng ating referee na si Jigjig Lascunia. Yung bola na out of bounds na sa kabilang court, kaya not full court or not half court inbound. Eman Calo with a steal. Counter steal naman. Nice stop to Pastoran. Jimboy fires for long two. Miss shot. Out of bounds yan for Aroroy.
Sayang talaga yung mga ganun na ano. Parang I think Aroroy needs to take it to the basket more eh. Parang kailangan atakihin ba nila? Kasi they've been taking perimeter shots masyado na marami. They're getting long rebounds eh. Kaya rin nakakatakbo itong Tuburan 360 na gustong-gusto naman nila.
Yep, alam naman natin yung mga guards na ito. Manggubat, Manso, lalo na si Manso, Menina.
May Calo ka pa.
Calo,
on the
oo.
floor.
Tatakbuhan ka talaga dyan eh. Delfino for Pastoran.
Ang nakaganda pa dito sa Tuburan 360 no, tumatakbo na yung smalls mo. Makikita mo pa itong mga big man mo are
Nagtitrail?
storming the middle din.
Oo.
Tumitrail din sila. Nagre-rim run.
2:30 sa ating oras. Second quarter po natin dito sa Kawayan Masbate para sa ating first ever Kahamugaway Open Basketball Invitational Tournament. Yun, twice na natin nakita sa medyo center court, no? Yung nadudulas na player. Eman Calo all day. Out of bounds doon si
Actually,
Saga.
oo. Tama ka nga doon sa may center court nga. Pa-check natin to sa halftime no, pa-map natin.
It's either on the shoes or may wet spot lang talaga.
Baka rin eh, no? Totoo ba yun, partner, na pag-pick daw yung sapatos madulas ba?
Depende kung saan mo pineke. Kung sa China, medyo makapit.
Pwede
Pero
ba?
medyo lang. 2 minutes sa ating oras. CJ Delfino again. Double digit ito for CJ Delfino.
Oo. Kakapasok pa lang niya, ito na agad yung output na binibigay nun sa CJ Delfino eh, di ba? Parang kanina pa, nasa bench na si CJ.
Eman Calo, bantayan kay Delfino. The save by the veteran, Eman Calo. Mahaba pa to. That was a quick inbound for Tuburan.
May nama siya nun, no? Ni June Manso. Nako po.
Lapad ni Jun Manso eh, no?
Oo.
Sesay. One-hander. Nope. Out of bounds yan. Para sa Tuburan.
Here comes Asenso Aroroy now on the attack. Delfino step back.
Contojos with the rebound. Tolentino, ito. That's a foul on Saga. Patawag nyo lang, idol. Macman. Uyaw na kayo ba?
Another
Katulo
slip there, no? Para dito sa players natin. Parang baka nga partner sa flooring natin eh. Ito na nga yung problema dito. Yung free throws talaga nitong Aroroy. You know,
Anim na yun, ha? Nasunod?
Nasunod.
Coach, di ba? Imagine.
Oo. Tapos biglang ganito yung mangyayari. Matatakbuhan pa sila ng Ted Saga.
Imagine if you hit those 6 free throws plus 6 ka na dito.
Oo. Or kahit kalahati lang, that's gonna be a different story kasi.
Oo. Delfino drives. Delfino too strong. Jun Manso magko-control para sa Tuburan 360. Manso will use the screen. Jun Manso. Shot clock at 5. Almost a steal.
Almost.
Manso fires. Miss. Fernandez. And that's a shot for Aroroy. 10 seconds to shoot. Eman Calo to Ted Saga off the glass. Delfino, long shot. That's it to end the first half. It is 48 to 34 our score.
Pero this is still manageable, partner. Kailangan lang nila mapag-usapan ngayon how they're gonna get more stops and at the same time maka-convert naman on the offensive side. So halftime muna tayo. Euro.
Manso.
Another stop there para dito sa Tuburan 360.
One-hander. Pastoran. That was an air ball. Jun Manso lets it fly. Agbong Manso. Too strong again. Oh, rebound picked up by Aroroy. The layup
Wala pa rin.
comes out. Depende kung saan mo pineke. Kung sa China, medyo makapit.
Pwede
Pero
pa.
medyo lang. 2 minutes sa ating oras. CJ will beat. Manso fires. Miss. Fernandez. And that's a shot.
catch, stolen away by the Tuburan 360. Quezon, Medina.
Euro.
The catch, stolen away by the Tuburan 360. Quezon, Medina.
Euro.
Royland Mangkuban. Versus 24. Pastoran, escape! Yes, Manso. Tumuli rito si Manso. Ayun ang talo. Ayun ang position. Talo.
Another stop there para dito sa Tuburan 360.
One-hander. Pastoran. That was an air ball. June Manso. Lets it fly. Agbong Manso. Too strong again. Oh, rebound picked up by Aroroy. The layup
Wala pa rin.
comes out. Ike. Depende kung saan mo pineke. Kung sa China, medyo makapit.
Pwede
Pero medyo lang. 2 minutes sa ating oras. CJ Del Pino. Manso fires. Miss. Fernandez. And that's a shot.
Pinamotor ko na lang. Kasi, ay, wala tayo magawa eh. Kahit hindi sa okay, wala tayo magawa.
Ano bitaw?
Kasi ano eh, nakalak na.
Halftime score natin 48-34 in favor of Tuburan 360. And welcome to our third quarter. Nino Abay together with Coach Kim Reyes.
Yes, hello, Nino.
Mhm.
Ito na nga tayo sa halftime natin. At ngayon, makikita natin ulit. Back to the ball game na. Ito si John Court Kabahog kasi nagkaroon siya ng 2 early fouls
Oo.
first quarter pa lang.
Foul trouble for John Court, no?
Oo.
As Cesar tries to drive, that's a foul on Destacamento.
Ano bang name ni Sesay? Josh or Tosh?
Josh, kaya nga nalilito ako. Kasi sa Facebook na Tosh no?
Tosh.
No, Tosh.
Pero anyway, itong si Sesay parang he really likes attacking the basket from sa labas di ba? Yung dribble niya tapos hard drive to the basket. At ito nga, na-rewardan siya because of those attacks. Second shot now. Pasok yan para dito kay Tosh Sesay.
Nine and 45, CJ Delfino fires from downtown. A missed shot for CJ.
Heat check lang daw, sabi ni CJ sa coaching staff.
49-34. Sesay. Kabahog. At the free throw line. Missed shot for Kabahog. That's a steal from behind by Eman Calo. June Manso drops it. Eman Calo with a fake. Calo with a scoop inside. (51-34).
Yun na naman yung mga off-foot layup di ba, ni Eman Calo. So hindi rin makuha ng timing ng big man kung kailan ma-block.
You need to master off-foot defense din no?
Oo.
Agbong, derecho, pasa bulldozer. Put back kay June Manso, Mintes. Lalabas. June Manso will reset for Tuburan 360.
That's the importance of running back sa defense talaga di ba? They got the stop, pero dahil kulang sila, kanila pa rin yung bola sa Tuburan pa rin. They got chance, the second chance points. Buti na lang, eto nga, nagkaroon pa ng offensive foul.
Substitution here. Schuster Olago for Tosh Sesay. Kolibali lang yung nasa jersey nitong si Sesay, no? Kolibali was the import for UB, no? When Southwestern won the championship with William Tiam.
Yung Fion, no? Ibang kwento rin yung import na yun.
One of the greatest import in si Safi.
Oo.
Grabe yung scout ni Coach Mike doon.
Dumali buhay nila Shaquille Imperial dahil dun Wow, great ball movement there.
Sayang.
Para dito suburan si 360 pero a sorry miss there from EJ Agbong.
Here comes Ascenso. Wow, what a drive for Arroyo. That's on Tolentino.
They're gonna be needing more of those transition baskets if they want to stay within this game. Schuster asking the ball. Ooh, ganda hit.
That was a pushing foul. Ike with his third personal foul.
John Court, susubukan si Gozum.
Hindi na nayuko ni Sanjo, ni Schuster Olago.
Pero CJ Delfino there, he was trying to thread the needle on that bounce pass.
Hirap din basahin kung saan papunta si CJ, no? Kasi nag-i-in and out tsaka mabilis. Ah, nice stop. Seven and 17 sa ating oras. Distakamente.
Another miss na naman.
Kanina
Para
pa yan,
dito
ha?
sa Aurora, yes.
So it's not about the rim.
Wala. Nag-change court na partner.
Oo, nag-change court na no? It's not about the rim.
Yun nga isang factor din talaga. Ba't hindi sila makalapit? Dahil dun nga sa mga missed free throws nila. Na paminsan 0 out of 2 pa nga. Good thing here, na-split pa niya itong charity niya.
Eman Calo catch a shoot, miss shot for Eman. Delfino. Destacamento.
Naku.
Steal for John Corcabahog. Nasaktan si CJ dito no?
Medyo masama yata yung bagsak doon CJ Delfino dito sa may bench ng Tuburan 360.
Tsaka ulo yung hinahawakan niya.
Checking up on him pero parang wala naman. Sanay naman siya dyan sa mga bagsakan na yan.
Sabi niya may siko daw na tumama.
Kasabayan niya doon was Junman.
Junman,
They
so
were trying to get the ball.
Ah.
Pero good thing naman, wala naman nangyari pagbagsak niya. He was able to get up by himself naman. Ang kaso doon,
Oh, isa sa siya kasi tinigil yung laro
yung game,
because of him.
precaution lang din baga.
(53-37) Pastoran. Jimboy to Ike. Strong drive, attacking Schuster Olago.
Yung both imports ng Tuburan 360 pareho ng may 3 personal fouls Pero on the other hand, parang si Ike din, 3 personal fouls na rin siya.
Oo, 3 personal fouls na din si Ike. Saan ba naglaro si Ike dati? Para Manila to no?
Manila yan,
Dito-
pero we need to check siguro.
Dito nag-Cebu Nakilala lang din to because sa Panalay.
Panalay.
Oo. (53-38) Calo tries to drive the pass, diretso lang sa kamay ni Gozum. Nakahapak sa linya doon si Eman Calo at sinayawan lang ng tinikling.
Oo. Parang nahuli pa isang pa niya. Nasa labas pa daw
Gozum maatake. Gozum, the top by Destacamento. Rebound for Tuburan 360. 53-38, 15-point lead. John Cork wants it, denied by Gozum. Ito, puposte ulit si John Cork. Masahe time. 4 seconds. Miss shot for John Cork. Forward pass. Tolentino. The drive and the score.
Great ball tracking there, Galing dito kay Tolentino.
5:23. The drive of Josh Cesar.
It's just too easy para galing dito sa Tuburan 360.
Fourth personal foul.
Yeah, that's a fourth personal foul para dito kay Ike, no? Masyadong madali yung defense na binibigay ng Aroroy dito sa Tuburan 360. They're getting shots na masyadong madali. Here's Pastora now.
5 minutes on our clock. Destacamento. That fake. Oh, off the glass is good.
Tolentino now finally getting his shots in. Kanina pa niya yan parang sinusukat-sukat eh.
Kalo, atake, traveling.
Naipit. Parang he was about to use the behind the back pass and so papunta dito kay Cesar. Stop. Wala.
54-42.
Ano ito? Pass ito.
Inside to Aguara.
Yun ang gusto kong makita na mas mangyari pa more often eh. Na yung import nila will be playing sa ilalim. Ang nangyayari kasi sa labas sagladan si stay eh, yung import nila.
That time, maganda yung position ni Aguara.
Oo.
Manso. Kalo, catches it. Fires it to 3.
What a timely shot there para dito kay Kalo, no? But the Aroroy team was finally getting their momentum na sana eh.
Destacamento to the other side. Traveling.
Jan Corcabao, hindi pa nilalabas dito ha. Parang sinusulit niya yung time loss niya nung first half. Parang sabi ng coach, ayan sige, bumawi ka muna dyan.
Three minutes on the clock. Ted Saga fires.
Yung sinabi ko kanina, it's just too easy para dito sa Tuburan 360. Kailangan sa mga post-up na gano'n yung mag-help is the smallest na nasa labas eh, para mag-dig. Hindi yung big man. Kasi wala na mga ka-defender sa cutter like Ted Saga.
Oo, mahaba. You know, may jumper. Can shoot outside, can
Kompleto
stretch your
oo.
game eh.
And at the same time, ang galing din pumasa sa mga cutter nitong Tuburan 360
Yeah.
players.
Recognizing the
Mapa-big man.
cuts eh, no?
Oo, mapa-big man yan or small man. They can really give those passes eh. Oh.
Shane Menina will control this one. Shane Menina gusto pumoste dun sa gilid eh, no? Tsaka to catch the ball, magsushoot eh. Eto, poste si John Court. Kabahog against Gosum. Oh, napeke dun. Sesay gets the bounce.
Paulit-ulit lang yung point of attack dito Tuburan 360. Kasi nga, sabi nga nila, di ba? Why fix something that's not broken? It's working and then tuloy-tuloy lang. Problema ngayon, kailangan makahanap ng Aroroy a way to stop those attacks.
Tingnan natin kung mag-a-adjust ba sila sa ganong play nitong
Exactly.
Tuburan 360. Ito na
Dapat,
naman, John
ito na
Court,
naman,
nakaposte
di ba?
na naman. Ito.
Oh.
Cut na naman. Look at that, coach. Hindi lang tumama, but you know,
Hindi pumasok.
sabi mo nga, yung atake eh, no? The
Oo.
same way again.
I mean, the shot did not fall, pero yun pa rin yun. It was clearly a good shot, di ba?
Though may communication on the bench, but you can see that body inside the floor, they're not adjusting
Hindi,
it.
oo, hindi nagagawa. Hindi nila na-apply kumbaga sa loob. Which is Ang dami na. I think that was the 4th possession.
Oh, nice fake. Jimboy Pastoran all day.
Wide open. Ganda yan. Bagang!
All day to shoot for Jimboy Pastoran. One and 20. Manggubat this time. Nung pagpasok na Manggubat, siya naman yung umatake doon. Di na siguro pwede, pang-4 na beses ganun pa rin yung Opetsa.
Actually, oo, di ba? Pero again, yung pa rin yung defense nila, di ba? Walang nag-close out. That's Froilan Manggubat for you.
Yep. 1 minute sa ating oras. Hand off to Manggubat.
Same play kanina.
Denied yung pick doon. Kabahog ang atake. Mintis.
Kabahog, hindi pa nakakuha ng shots niya dito sa 3rd quarter natin.
Kick out by Gosum. 3-point shot. It's gonna be 3 free throws.
Gonna be Ted Saga's 3rd personal
Strong
foul.
again.
Kuha ng shots niya dito sa
3 free
Oh,
throws.
Para dito,
rebound
ito
pick
lang
up
team.
by Aroroy.
Yeah,
Kick
dalawa.
out by
Wala,
Gosum.
back.
Comes out. 3-point shot.
Si Ted Saga, no?
Miss shot again. The free throws, Coach Kim.
Another miss na naman yan dito sa free throw line para sa Aroroy.
So this is the story now for Aroroy. One of the story
Oo.
for Aroroy, no? Yung free
miss-
throws nila.
Oo, yung missed free throw nila.
Menina, just reading the lines here. Sasay. Down by 13. 3-point shot is good. Yan is for Pastoran. Gosum.
So ngayon, sa Aroroy, 53-63, 10-point lead. Pwedeng-pwede pa yan with 1 more quarter to go. Kailangan lang nila
Too
masolusyonan
strong again.
yung atake ginagawa nitong Tuburan
Oh,
360.
rebound.
It is
Pick
a
up by
manageable
Aroroy.
deficit, by the way, for Ascenso
Comes
pa
out.
Aroroy. We'll be right back with the last 10 minutes. Kapit lang po kayo sa Kawayan Masbate para sa ating first ever Kamugaway Open Basketball Invitational. 2 minutes sa ating oras. CJ will beat Manso fires. Miss. Fernandez. And that's a shot. A steal from behind by Eman Calo. June Manso drops it. Eman Calo with a fake. Calo with a scoop inside.
Open there.
Ah, sayang.
Para dito sa Tuburan 360, pero a sorry miss there from EJ Agbong.
Here comes Ascenso. Wow, what a drive. Steal for John Kirk Cabahog. Nasaktan si CJ dito. Nice shot for John Cork. Forward pass. Tolentino. The drive and the score. Sa on-arm clock. Destacamento. That fake. Oh, off the clock. 42. Inside to Aguara.
Back to the ball game for the last and final quarter.
Okay, last and final quarter tayo ngayon para sa game natin. Aroroy versus Tuburan 360 with 53 against 63.
Ano na ibaba nitong Aroroy, no? Yung kanilang inahabol. But an early steal. Eman Calo. Manso now.
You do not want to start your quarter like that, no? Nag-aabol ka ng 10 points, tapos start a quarter, turnover agad para sa team mo.
Buti hindi na ipasok ng Tuburan 360 yun. As destacamento with a cut. So masusubukan na naman itong Aroroy sa free throw line.
Free throw line. Na-mention mo nga kanina, that's been the story about dito sa Aroroy team. Yung missed free throws nila. Sorry, di ko na rin sinasabi ko.
Yun, pumasok na yung una.
Nahulog. May isa pa, partner. May isa pa.
Meron pa.
Diba?
1 out of 2 for this Sacramento.
Yun talaga eh, no? Kanina pa yung split na mga free throws nila na yan.
63-54. Sesay, kick out. Calo fires. Miss. Rebound by Sesay. Calo ang aatake. Will wrap that ball one. Manso with a miss. Out of bounds yan. Para sa Aroroy, 12 seconds to shoot.
They're getting the stops pero hindi nila nakukompleto yun kasi hindi nila nakukuha yung possession eh. This is gonna be the third attempt para dito sa Tuburan 360. Calo
Wala
now.
for Calo. Wala pa rin talaga pero rebound na naman sa Tuburan. June Manso finally.
Diba? Yun yung masakit doon. You got 3 stops. Tapos on the 4th, try again, makukuha pa nila isang 3-pointer galing dito kay June Manzo.
Alminia. Destacamento, too strong. Bumangga sa pader doon.
Natinag doon. Ito si malaki kasi yung bumangga. EJ Agbong yan.
Oo, malapad.
Oo,
Mabigat.
hands up lang yun, ha? Hindi ko masabing
Agbong, too strong. What a putback. Time from Sesay.
Another offensive rebound para dito sa Tuburan 360 and nako-convert pa nila yung mga second chance points na yun.
Aguara at the free throw line. Miss shot. Push for Eman Calo. Calo pumping it off the glass.
Binomba pa. May kasama pang foul yan.
The bank is open at 5:54.
Balik na dito si CJ Delfino and I think is tatapusin niya na itong buong game na to. Calo completes a 3-point play. Sayang yun. Ang lapit na sana ng Aroroy. They were just down by 9 points. Ito, bigla na namang bumulusok yung Tuburan 360.
Oo, 71-54 na naman ito, no? And Aroroy, wala nang mahanap na sagot. Destacamento. Miss shot to Aguara. Calo. 200 layup is good. And we have a timeout for Team Aroroy. Down sila dito ng 19 points, 73-54.
Dapat ba binabasa natin to? Alright, back to our ball game. Tignan natin kung ano ang dinrowing ng coaching staff na itong Team Aroroy for them to be able to get a point in this possession.
That's another missed shot.
Oo, great find sana no, galing dito kay CJ Delfino. Pero another sorry miss doon para kay Ike.
June Manso. Poste si Agbong. Against Gosum, di nakuha ni Sesay. Kalo. Sesay, Manso. Fires. That's good. Bumawi kay Jimboy Pastoran. Binaril sa harap.
They're good friends naman. Parang just having fun sa game. Eto, Jimboy.
Pastoran with a pull-up. The top. Tumama pa kay Eman Kalo.
Hindi nakailag doon si Emanuela.
Oo. Kick out. Alminie. Miss. Out of bounds for Cesar again.
Grabe yung labanan ng rebound, eh, no? Sa ibabaw na ng ring kinukuha yung bola.
Delfino fires in front of Agbong. And put back by Guido.
Pero namagaan na bigla itong kalamangan natin. This is already 20-point lead para dito sa Tuburan 360.
Kalo tries to attack. Bumping bodies here. Eman Kalo gets the basket.
Siya nga pala partner, no, shout out pala dyan sa teammates ko sa Zero Visibility sa flag football team namin yan. Kamusta kayo dyan? Nagpa-practice ba kayo or
Nanglulut.
Inom na lang ginagawa?
Akala ko nanglulut. Nanglulut.
Uy, wag boss! Hindi kami LOB boss. Wag ganon. Ito talagang si Boss Ibon eh, kung ano tinuturo eh.
Shoutout sa inyo dyan, mga teammates ni Coach Kim sa Zero Visibility. Maayong hapon sa inyong lahat dyan. Kamusta ang Cebu? 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound by Maggubat. Sesay aatake, dire-diretso. Wala lang stopover.
Wala. Gusto mo bang harangan yun? Ikaw, gusto mong umarang sa ganon?
Para makomatos ka eh, no?
Diretso na eh. Nakauna mo yung balikat eh. Gusto na lang papunasan daw muna yung bola.
Yung Olabs.
Madulas daw eh. Medyo malaki-laki na tong kalamangan na to. So gusto na lang ng Aroroy team pagka ganito is just to play better, di ba? Tapusin mo ng game na maganda pa rin yung ginagawa nila. Like
that's
this
fine.
pass inside, di ba?
Gozum with a nice catch underneath to score it. Pinafront niya na si EJ, no?
Oo. Which is dapat kanina pa nila tinatry. Para lang hindi magawa ng Tuburan 360 yung gusto nilang mangyari sa offense.
Eman Kalo knocks down the 3-point shot. Miss shot again. Soilan Manggubat.
Poposte na naman to siya. Hindi. Big and roll na. Eh no, kailangan ni CJ Delfino na nakasag siya doon para siya maging tagger. Yun hindi nila nagagawa the whole game.
Eman Kalo back to back.
Tutong-tong kaya sa 100-point mark itong game natin.
Oo, yan yung tanong. As Gozum answers back from downtown.
Sharp shooter din eh, no? Yung Gozum. Parang naalala ko yung kaibigan natin si Michael Cantonaw.
Oo, Mike Kantz.
Diba?
Sina Coach Mike at Coach Paul eh, no? Doon sa resort na inaano ni Mike Kantz eh.
Oo. I forgot the name.
Na name,
of
oh.
that resort eh. Pero ang ganda dun ah. Sa Bantayan ba yun or Daan Bantayan?
Not sure kasi nung pumunta kami ng Medellin, doon sila Coach Mike eh.
Ngayon pa tuloy nahuhulog yung mga 3-pointer nitong Ascenso Aroroy team.
Three minutes
Heat
left.
check time. It's a heat check para dito kay Emanuela.
Alminie, Manso, Manggubat.
Bro, dagan, bro! So,
I have a timeout for Aroroy. Boom. 3-point shot. It's gonna be 3 free throws. Agbong too strong. What a put back. Touch for Eman Calo. Calo pumping it off the glass. Miss shot to Aguara. Calo. 200 layup is good. Di nakuha ni Cesay. Calo. Cesay Manso. Fires. That's good. Gets the shoot. Rebound by Manggubat. Cesay atake. Dire-diretso.
Remaining time 2 minutes. 4 seconds for the last quarter.
Alright, back to our ball game after this timeout from Team Ascenso Aroroy. Tingnan natin what they have for us.
Inbound to for Pastoran.
Yung kulang all game long yung mga ganun na strong drive galing dito sa Ascenso Aroroy. And you know, mention kanina is yung free throw shooting talaga nila.
2 minutes sa ating game clock. Pass inside. Nice thread by Calo. Agbong. Reverse. And a miss for EJ. Oh. CJ Delfino. Pull up miss shot for Aroroy. 1 and 50.
Sa legs ni CJ Delfino Ito, tinatawanan siya ni Torcesa June Manzo.
Safe to say, we're just waiting for our final score here.
Froilan Manggubat. I think it's gonna be third 3-pointer yata yan galing dito kay Froilan Manggubat. Parang isa lang yata mintis niya from beyond the arc dito sa game natin na to.
Tsaka iuupo na, by the way, sina CJ Delfino.
Concepcion.
2 shots.
Penalty situation.
Second one for Eman Calo.
Parang hindi yata aabot sa 100 point mark yung game natin.
Muntik lang.
Konting eh. Una ko.
Nadulas pa, ha? Nakasawa pa rin ni Froy, eh.
Oo. Naku po, yun, natuluyan nga ang turnover.
20 seconds.
Ay,
EJ Agbong, short again.
Last 15 seconds.
No more shot clock.
Last 10.
Alright.
Ito na nga. Oo.
So that's gonna be it, no? Para sa game natin, itong Ascenso Aroroy versus Tuburan 360. Main story, yung free throw shooting. Pumapasok para dito sa Team Aroroy. As compared to Tuburan 360, most or halos kalahati ng mga shots sila are falling in for them, no? So because of this win, itong ating Tuburan 360 team would be already waiting sa semis, di ba? So that's it for our first game. Abangan natin sa next game natin. Ano next game?
So ito na nga. A win by Tuburan 360 91-70. And stay tuned para sa ating second game.
Okay, next game, team WB Sophia, Batuan against GM Esri Wi-Fi.
Delfino.
Next game, team WB Sophia, Batuan against Team Team Esri Wi-Fi.
Magbubat. Sesay, atake, dire-diretso. Okay, last stop.
Just to play better, di ba? Tapusin mo ng team na maganda pa rin yung ginagawa nila. Like, just pass inside, di ba? Which is dapat kanina lang. Para lang, hindi magawa ng Tuburan 360 yung gusto nilang mangyari sa Delfino na nakasal siya doon para siya maging tagger. Yun hindi nila nagagawa the whole game.
Eman Calo, back to back.
Tutong-tong kaya sa 100 point mark na ng game natin.
Oo, yan yung tanong. As Gozum.
Sa bantayan,
Not sure kasi nung pumunta kami ng Medellin. Say to say, we're just waiting for our final score here.
Troy Landmark, Ruban. Tutong-tong kaya sa 100 point mark na ng game natin.
Oo, yan yung tanong. As Gozum.
Next game, Team S3 Wi-Fi against Team WB Sophia, Batuan.
Wala naman. Ang final lineup lang niyo. Okay naman final lineup niyo. Lineup.
Ang depensa, mabilis ang depensa. Tinawag ang player, barreling big check. Pilipinan to, kaya ang inang binasag ni Kraken ang clear ang lipunan ni Kinalawit Discarte ang game naging awesome pag nandyan sinusok magbago si Kaka tao si Justin si Cedric kasama si Boy sumaksak sa tingin na sumabay pinagsumpot na pinulahan tayo na-enjoy noon hanggang today yan ang ating PBA
Okay, reminder sa lahat na nandito sa ating court. Mamayang second half, meron po tayong half court shot. Ang premyo po ay 5,000. Sponsored by Maston. Again.